there, I'm Racheal Cook, founder of the CEO Collective and host of the Promote Yourself to CEO podcast. And I wanted to share why I am absolutely obsessed with Nicole Achi's Style Your Brand. When I first came to Nicole, I was someone who had been growing my business for years and years and years and not really comfortable being visible. And as many of us know, if you want your business to grow, you have to become more comfortable with visibility. I have to put myself physically out in front of potential clients and community. And it was really a sticking point that was holding me back for a very, very long time because I never felt like I had a real sense of personal style. I always was confused about what to wear. And then throw on top of that, I am a mom of 3. So it was a thing that I knew I needed to get some support around if I was going to be comfortable showing up and going after the level of visibility that I needed for my business. What I didn't expect was how deep into this we would go. I mean, it was way more than just these are the types of outfits you should look for, or this is the body shape you have. That didn't even scratch the surface with Nicole's process and how choosing our clothes, using this understanding of communication, using the understanding of the different contexts we might be in, it helped so much for me to get clarity on why so many of the other things I was trying wasn't working, because I was panic buying instead of thoughtfully considering, what is my brand? What am I standing for? How do I want people to feel about me, whether they're meeting me in person or they're finding a video of mine online or they're watching an interview? Now I have a beautiful wardrobe that is camera ready. I know exactly what I need to wear in different contexts, and it's just simplified so much for me. And I'm no longer getting ready for a big event and freaking out because I'm not sure what to wear or things don't fit and I don't know what to do. Now I know that no matter how I'm showing up, I am showing up with authenticity and I'm showing up as myself, not as someone who's trying to mimic or copy someone else's style or what I saw in a magazine. I'm really able to think through how I want to show up and how I want to make people feel. So if you're considering the Style Your Brand program, I would highly recommend diving into it, especially if you are someone who knows that showing up more powerfully and more visibly is going to be a huge part of your next big move in your career or in your business or in the public eye. This is one area I see over and over again with women. We tend to play small because we get so hung up on what we look like and on what we're wearing, what shape and size we are. This program will help you to build so much confidence in how you show up, no matter if you are the heaviest you've ever been, which is what I was when I did my very last photo shoot, or you are in the best shape of your life. None of that will matter because you will have the foundation to truly help you feel confident no matter what. So I hope you enjoy Style Your Brand, and I can't wait to see your transformation.